Hello, everybody. I'm back again. This is Tonyajayi here, and I got some friends with me. Here's Kat, my best friend, my Facebook friend too, and his son, Blake. Okay, I'll let them introduce. I'll let Scott say hi to you, and Blake will introduce himself. All right.
Hello.
Yeah, that is Scott Williamson there, and here is the star of today.
And it is good to be here.
All right, I like that. I like that. And what's your name?
Blake Johnson.
Okay, what are you going to do for us today?
First, we're going to do the letters. And we're going to spell what. Then we're going to say the word.
All right. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it, Blake.
Okay, get ready.
Get ready. What is the first one?
Sad.
Second one?
Tired. Fire. Okay. Hey. Boo. Do the boo. Hello. Boo. Oh.
All right. Well, I think this is fun. Blake came with this picture from school. Then I have this that I used to make some music. And
you know.
Thank you very much.
And we're gonna rock and roll this day.
All right.
We're never gonna leave until you say to leave.
All right.
And you know, don't forget your